Savannah, Georgia, I've never been here before. I hear it's a super romantic and haunted city. Tonight, we are going to be going through how to find a buyer so that we can kind of match up what we've been doing on the back end of these meetups. So last night was Atlanta, Georgia, 550 people showed up, and we really focused on talking to sellers. And so what happens is a lot of people leave the meetup going, oh my gosh, I've got all these hot leads, and I talked to the seller, they want an offer. In fact, I got, I don't know, probably 30 text messages and DMs last night from people saying they got a contract, like literally from the leads from last night. And some people are saying, who should I send this to as a buyer? And a lot of the people at the meetup are not in the sub-2 community, so they're not connected with people that are buyers. So tonight in Savannah, Georgia, we're gonna talk about how do I find a buyer, how do I call a buyer, how do I vet a buyer, and hopefully we have our gear to do it. Scott, our production manager, got stuck in Atlanta, Georgia. He has our projector and our screen that I need to do this, so let's hope and cross our fingers that he can make it here in time for the meetup. So we are filming with Julie, just highlighting that our students are doing deals in every single city across the country. When this tour is over, we will have a book called the Creative Finance Playbook. It will highlight every deal that we stop by, every city across the country that deals are being done in, so you can go, can this be done in my city? You no longer have to ask that question. It's honestly the most annoying question I've ever in my life. So this Creative Finance Playbook is going to eliminate that question no longer. You will be able to see deals are happening in your backyard. It just needs some work to be done. So come to the meetup, Creative Finance, or CreativeNationTour.com. Come and check us out. We're all live and in person doing deals. Now, Savannah, Georgia. I know nothing about Savannah, Georgia. So today we're gonna talk a little bit about Savannah, what I find out, what is going on here, and what would I do if I had to start all the way over from scratch in Savannah, Georgia. Who would I do it with? How fast could I get a deal done? All of those things we'll chat through. But most important thing you should be sticking around for is how do I find a buyer? Like I need to find a buyer. If I'm gonna wholesale a deal or bird dog a deal, how do I find a buyer? And that's the number one thing we're gonna talk about tonight at the meetup. If Scott can make. We're here in Savannah, Georgia. Canyon, show them the group. Everybody's right here networking. We're playing a dot game. It's called Connect the Dots. And so on nights where we have an unpredictable venue, right? There's nowhere I can broadcast, there's no projector, and there's loud music playing the whole time. It's really hard to teach how to find buyers. And so I said earlier in the video, we were gonna teach how to find buyers. Well, guess what? It's unpredictable. Out here on the road, I have no idea. I don't control these meetups. They're being ran by all the leaders of our community. And so I had no idea what the venue was gonna be like. So tonight we're pivoting and I'm gonna go and connect the dots and I'm gonna go find some people that are making some money. Look at all these connections being made. That's what's happening here right now. That visual would help people understand this is why you show up.
Do y'all do the all 50 or 48?
What are you looking for?
Are you nationwide or are you just Monroe?
Georgia?
Are you a wholesaler?
No, minor.
How are you? Are you a part of Sub-2? Yeah.
We just got it appraised at 366.
Okay, good.
This is an off-market property in Garden City, which is the Savannah area. So this is a commercial property. It used to be a daycare, and so they're trying to sell it as a commercial property. Who's a wholesaler? Travis?
What's your number?
You feel like you won the competition, huh?
4 of each, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, 4 of each.
All right, Travis, tell Canyon who you met and who you think you could make some money with.
So I got 4 of each. I got 4 lenders, Laura, Beth, Kim, and Chris. I got 4 wholesalers. We got Aaron, McCallie, Rich, and another McCallie spelled differently. 4 buyers. We got Savannah, Christina, Juan, and Perry. 4 agents. We got Christy, Ron, 5 agents. Christy, Ron, Elena, Christina, and Will. Getting in rooms like this is what it's all about. You gotta find lenders, you gotta find agents, you gotta find buyers in order to make money in this real estate industry. You got new people that are doing wholesale. Those types of people, they need to find their first deal. You gotta find those guys, you gotta help those guys. Agents always need listings. Sometimes you do an ovation. In a local area, if an agent's at one of these meetings, I'm gonna wanna use them, especially if they know what they're doing and they have a lot of experience. Lenders, who doesn't need lenders, bro? Everybody always needs lenders. Everybody's always broke. Lenders always have all their money to play, so you always gotta find more private lenders. And buyers make the world turn around, man. It's pretty self-explanatory.
I need to find a buyer that will do this deal with me. You got to, okay, Brian, do you know Brian Beiser?
I met Brian briefly.
Okay, cool. Brian, who's your buyer?
Colton, that's Amanda Spinney's dude.
Okay, cool. Yo, who's buying?
I'm buying. Buy what you got.
You're buying? Okay, are you buying duplexes?
Yes.
I'm buying duplexes.
Here?
Right now.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, this is. I already own 24 units with this guy, so I might have. And we got them on 0% seller finance. So, okay, Julie, come in here real fast. You obviously know Adam. Here, stand right here, Julie.
Adam's my guy. This is my
Okay, so Adam, we got a duplex here in Savannah area, Julie.
South Side 31404.
Is that nice?
I don't know. We can figure it out.
If Julie says it is.
I own 2 duplexes around the
Yes,
corner.
it's nice.
You like that area?
Yeah. East side's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
East side is great.
if Adam says no to this deal, it's your deal, okay?
So where are we buying?
Okay, so it's a duplex. Julie says we offer 135.
Yes.
Reno's 130. I would fund it 100%, purchase and renovation. We'd refinance it, pull out all the money except for 20 grand-ish. That gets her paid, that gets you and I a duplex, and I only have 20 grand in the deal.
We get an acquisition fee.
We can do an acquisition fee, and we'd have a duplex that rents both sides for $1,500 each, so it'd be renting about $3,000 a month.
Can we put SCAD students in there? Can we do student housing?
Wait, what do you call that?
SCAD, it's a college here, so we do student housing. It's really popular here.
I don't know.
You can do anything you want.
So we can do also co-living here.
Really?
Co-living's big here.
How big are those duplexes?
About 800 square feet each.
Oh, they're teeny
yeah,
tiny.
yeah.
800 square feet.
2-1 and a 2-1.
It'd still rent for $1,500 a side, though?
I have 4 units right around the corner that are all rented at $1,500, $1,600.
How many bedrooms?
Okay, if you want to look at this tomorrow with Julie and like actually get into the numbers and tell me if you want to do it. Do we want to
Lawrence Rivers.
do we want to go from 24 units down to 2 units?
But then we go to 44 units.
Okay.
Lawrence Rivers is the bird dog on this. You know Lawrence.
Okay, cool.
Perfect.
I taught him how to wholesale. He's my guy.
Nice.
My guy.
Why didn't he?
Well, we can split him then.
You sound like billboards in Savannah.
Oh, I think I've already got the PM. Oh, you're going to PML it.
I'll PML it. I'll do it at 0% interest, no payments.
Yeah.
We'll refinance most of my money and I'll keep half my money in.
Absolutely. All day. Savannah's the best. Like,
It's a
one of the best
very
markets.
wonderful color of green.
Okay, cool.
Adam. You'll love
I don't want to manage it.
I'll manage it. That's what I do. Look
Who
at
would
this.
have? Julie?
Who doesn't want a lime green duplex in Savannah?
I want to buy a lime green one.
Jamil, you live there.
I would live there in a heartbeat.
This is up and coming. This street, I could have bought one right across the street 2 years ago for $138 and I turned it down. It needs a full rehab, but it's a great location.
I love Savannah.
Do you know how many deals you and us can do together?
Heck yeah.
own this city.
That's sexy right there.
Oh, at least a small portion of it. Savannah, Georgia is the #1 port in the United States. It used to be Long Beach, California, but then COVID happened and Savannah, Georgia ended up taking it over. Savannah has become a hot spot for so many amazing things. And one of those things is amazing people. Julie Gates, Jose from Owners Club, Adam from Owners Club, Carrie from Owners Club. So many amazing people are at this meetup doing deals and helping each other out. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage today. I got involved in multiple deals. We even did this really cool prize to the person that got their 4 dots connected 4 times, ended up getting funded by me with no interest.
Have you picked a winner?
I think Julie won.
I got 60. I have more than 60.
Julie beat, there was Travis won, like he was really close, but she beat him.
She beat him?
Yeah.
I'm a hustler.
And then I get to benefit from them winning.
Yes, you do. Shout out to Julie. She's the one that won the prize, and so I'll be doing multiple deals with Julie. I hope you enjoyed the footage with me and Julie, me and Christina, learning a little bit about Savannah, Georgia. I feel like it's a slept-on market. 11 months out of the year, this is a hot spot for tourism, so it's amazing for Airbnb, amazing for Section 8. We met a bunch of Sub-2 members that are crushing it in Section 8. I love the city, even though I probably saw 1% of 1%. If I was gonna start all the way over, I would do what I did tonight. I'd go to a Sub-2 meetup, I would connect with Julie, I'd connect with Adam, I'd connect with lenders, and I'd put a deal together right there. Julie has endless amounts of deals. Incredible human being. And she comes to me tonight, she says, I want to do a weekly Zoom inside of Sub-2 and amplify the Sub-2 members' ability to talk to real estate agents.
We could do a Zoom like once a month and just have people try to learn how to talk to agents. They need that education.
We need that. And I was like, say less. By the way, have you ever seen that meme of that kid that says, say less?
Oh, say less.
Savannah, Georgia, we love you. We appreciate you. I already told you what we would do. Shout out to our sponsors, Pad Splits. Tons of that is going on in this market. We love you guys. We will see you tomorrow in Charleston, South Carolina, and then the next day in Greenville, North Carolina. We're out.